Facebook retargeting ad setup that will make you $1,000 per day. In this episode, I will hold you by the hand and show you step by step, move by move, exactly how to set up a retargeting campaign used by the top marketers on Facebook. We will be using what I call the bait and catch strategy. I will be sharing a campaign secret that one of my clients and I used to make $1,000 a day selling e-commerce and affiliated products.
I was able to get more clicks and conversions, and my sales doubled in a single weekend from an ad that I recently ran.
If you stay to the end of this video, I will even show you how to create an ad disguised as a viral post, getting you even more engagement, which of the 5 most profitable locations to target, how to narrow your interests one by one so you are laser focused, targeting only people who will buy your product, and a secret copywriting trick to maximize your engagement so Facebook will charge you less ad spend. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Here's the strategy. I call it the bait and catch strategy. We will be running 2 campaigns. The first is a post-engagement campaign promoting a post on your Facebook page. The second is a retargeting ad targeting everyone who interacted with that post and your Facebook page. Here is the real secret of why this strategy works so well. One of the products that my client sells is small dog beds. And unlike a traditional ad that promotes a product asking people to buy, the first ad that we will run is disguised as a viral post. Something entertaining and helpful that gets tons of views, likes, comments, and shares. The ad will secretly and indirectly be promoting a product, in this case, a dog bed. It is also important to note that we don't sell anything in this video. This is extremely important. We don't even tell people which bed we suggest Chihuahua owners buy. This is crucial. If you start selling in this video, your engagement will drop. It will no longer be viral because people don't like to share sales videos with their friends. Once we have allowed the ad to run a few days and collect tons of engagement, we will run a second ad campaign. This time, giving the results of which bed is the Chihuahua's favorite and our recommendations as to which bed to buy. Then, we add a link to buy the bed at our e-commerce page or affiliated page at a discount. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the retargeting ad. Okay, let's do a walkthrough and set up these 2 campaigns for you. We start at the Ads Manager. Hit the Create button. Under Consideration, select Engagement. And under Engagement, select Post Engagement. Give your campaign a name. Sticking to the product, goal, and location nomenclature, I will call my campaign Dog Bed, Viral, and Big 5. What is the Big 5? Don't worry, I will explain soon. Give your ad set and ad the same name for simplicity purposes. Hit Continue. At the campaign level, make sure the campaign budget optimization is turned off. We are running advanced ads now, so this should be second nature to you, right? Click Next. At the ad set level, because we are more familiar with running ads and know what we are doing, we can start our budget at $20 a day. The reason being, we want to hit the ground running, get as much engagement as possible, bait as many people as possible. If you are not comfortable with $20, then you can start slow. Just keep in mind, money loves speed, and viral reach is what we are aiming for. Under Audience, it's time for me to share the $1,000 secret. Target people who live in the Big 5. What am I talking about? After years of running Facebook ads and YouTube ads, my clients and I discovered that we made the most money from people who live in these 5 countries: United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and New Zealand. These people have money to spend and are most likely to spend it buying products online. You want to try selling to these markets first. Awesome, right? That's why we call them the Big 5. So add these Big 5 countries into your locations to target. Once you get to the age, gender, and detail targeting, select the target audience that have given you the best results in your previous ads. A word of warning: now is not the time to test audiences. You should have a list of the demographic and targeting options that have converted well for you in the past. Use that here. For my example, you can see I have chosen 4 interests layered on top of the other. The person I'm targeting needs to have an interest in Chihuahua and must also be interested in dog toys and dog collars and dog food. This will filter out people who likes chihuahuas but don't actually own one. Important, right? If you're interested in dog toys, interested in dog collars and dog food, come on, you must own a dog, right? You can experiment with how many interests to layer on top of each other, but don't overdo it. You want a reach that's at least a couple of thousand a day. As for the detailed targeting expansion option, it depends how confident you are about your viral video. If it is well made and you know for a fact that dog owners will love it, then select the detailed targeting expansion. We want the max amount of eyeballs on it. For languages, since we're targeting in international markets now, select English all. Under placements, keep automatic placements selected. We want this ad to become viral, so we want to show it everywhere. If you find your ad spend gets too high for you, you can always come back here and choose manual placements. But once again, we want to hit the ground running with a burst of engagement. Click Next to continue. Under Ad Setup, you can select Use Existing Post that's already on your Facebook page or create an ad. Since we haven't created one yet, select Create Ad. Now upload your video. On to the primary text. This is going to be the simplest primary text you have ever written. Since this is just a viral video, all you have to do is to ask a question. For me, I will ask the question, which dog bed will your chihuahua like? Vote now. Our chihuahua will make a second video of your top pick. That's it for copywriting. The key is to get people engaged and let them know that another video is coming, doubling the incentive to participate, to like, to comment, and to share. Clever, right? Now in terms of the call to action, here's one of the biggest secrets in making this post go viral. Do not add a button. The secret behind this strategy is we want this video to appear like a native post. Adding the Learn More button will make it look like an ad, and people are less likely to share an ad. Check this out. Which post are you more likely to share with a friend? The one that looks like a native post, or the one that looks like an ad? The Learn More button just suddenly make it look like an ad, right? So don't add a button. Lastly, we can uncheck website events because this ad takes place on Facebook and we will not be taking people to our website just yet. This will also mean that it will not be affected by the iOS 14 update, which is awesome. Hit publish and we will be done with our post engagement bait campaign. So, how are you doing? Hope you are not tired yet because we got an exciting second campaign to run. Alright, on to the second campaign, the Retargeting Catch campaign. At the Ads Manager, smash the Create button. Under Consideration, select Traffic. Your campaign name should be straightforward. Product and Action, Goal, CTA. Mine would be called Dog Bed Retargeting. Sales, 50% off. Naming your campaign like this will let you know right away the compelling reason you're giving for buying your product now. It's 50% off. Give the same name to your ad set and add. Hit Continue. The campaign budget optimization is turned off, so click Next to continue. We will be sending people to our website to purchase our product, so the website option is selected. As for our budget, you can consider doing a lifetime budget this time. The difference between a retargeting ad and a regular ad is that retargeting ads are constantly running in the background, reminding people of your offer for a period of time. So for me, I will put down a lifetime budget of $50 and have it run for about a week. Facebook tells you that you won't spend more than $50 during the lifetime of your ad set. You'll spend more on days with more opportunities and less on days with fewer opportunities. Now, here's the most exciting part of the setup process. Retargeting your audience. Under Audience, click Create New and select Custom Audience. We are targeting people who interacted with our Facebook page. So under Facebook Resources, select Facebook page and click Next. Make sure the page that hosted your viral ad is selected. Under Events, select People who engaged with any post or ad. Facebook tells you these are people who have taken an action on a post or ad, such as reactions, shares, comments, link clicks, or carousel swipes. This is what we want. We don't want people who just like our Facebook page and left our page. No, we want people who actually actively engaged with our viral post. This is important, and it makes sense, right? And for the retention time, you can select 14 days. This means Facebook will keep these people in this audience pool for 15 days before removing them. Ideally, you want to target people within 3 to 4 days after seeing your first viral post. Anything longer won't work as well because they would have forgotten about your viral post or even cease to care. So we are keeping it 14 days just to be safe and just in case you want to run another ad campaign targeting these people. I will call my audience dog bed engaged viewers. Then smash the create audience button and click done. Congratulations, you just created a retargeting audience. You should really be proud of yourself right now. Not many people can make it this far, and the fact that you are an advanced advertiser should really make you feel good about how far you have come. Big hugs! Facebook will take a few minutes to load this audience. In the meantime, let's finish up this campaign so we can have a few drinks, shall we? What I love about setting up retargeting campaigns is you can leave all the audience, demographics, and detailed targeting at the same default settings, because we are simply showing our ad to people who interacted with our viral post before. It doesn't matter their age, gender, location, interest, and so on. Simple and easy, right? Okay, leave the placements in automatic, and under optimization and delivery, make sure the link clicks option is selected. We want Facebook to optimize our retargeting ad to people most likely to click on it. Click Next to reach the ad level. Now, since I signed an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement with my client, I am not allowed to show you what he used for his retargeting ad. So I would just choose a generic photo to represent the ad creative. The key here is to make a short video with the same style as the viral video, except this time you do mention the specific product you recommend, its benefits, why your customer love it, why the Chihuahua love it, and why people need to take action right now to buy it. It's 50% off. For the primary text, keep it simple. People are already engaged and inspired by your viral post. They are just looking for a reason to buy. So give them a reason. Write something like, and the results are in. You and my Chihuahua both picked the anti-anxiety calming doggy bed. This is why we made it available to you for 50% off for a limited time. Enter coupon code DOGGYSLEEP now and get this exclusive offer right now. It's a good idea to tell people to use a specific coupon code because that makes the offer feel exclusive, as if they are truly getting a special one-time deal not found anywhere else. We will use the psychology trick in our headline as well. So our headline will read, Enter Doggy Sleep for 50% off now. Enter the URL of your website. And for the call to action button, select something that is action-packed. We want people to smash that button with intention. Select Get Offer or Shop Now. And finally, make sure your website events is selected and your pixel is selected because we do want to track all visitors to our website so that we can retarget them with even more ads in the future. Well done! Smash that publish button! Congratulations! You have just completed your first retargeting campaign. Now that you know how to run retargeting campaigns, let me show you how to run other profitable campaigns. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button because in the next episode, I will show you how to run traffic campaigns, brand awareness campaigns, page likes campaigns, and more. See you in the next episode.